Hello and welcome once again to Red Rose Hearing Center. My name is Tamara Benowit, AUD, owner-founder of Lancaster's only Audigy-certified audiology practice, and I'm here to tell you more about our practice's commitment to serving your hearing care needs. At Red Rose Hearing Center, our commitment to providing you an unsurpassed hearing care experience begins the moment you contact our practice and continues for as long as you are in our care. During your initial appointment, we will assess and evaluate the hearing and communication difficulties you're facing. Once we've gained an understanding of the world through your ears, we'll administer the necessary diagnostic exams required to accurately determine the degree of hearing loss you may be experiencing. After the appropriate tests have been completed, our Audigy-certified professionals will sit down with you to discuss your test results in detail, and will do so in a manner that focuses on your understanding of those findings. We believe an educated patient is an empowered patient, and the better you understand the nature of your hearing loss, the better we can effectively work together to improve your hearing. Together, we will examine the various treatment solutions and rehabilitation options available for your specific type of hearing loss and how they apply to your desired hearing and communication goals and unique listening lifestyle. At Red Rose Hearing Center, our goal is to meet and exceed your expectations through our compassionate, friendly, and thorough approach to hearing health care. Call Red Rose Hearing Center today to make better hearing a part of your everyday life.